a cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contours, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, wanna fat pretty like my guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. They sent over one of their pre-max wigs by the name of Supernatural Hairline Silky Straight Glueless 13x4 Frontal. Now, the main thing with these pre-max units from LuvMe Hair is the fact that, they come with, the pre-plucked hairline, the pre-bleached knots, the lace on the units are pre-cut. I almost said pre-plucked again. But the big thing with this one is the fact that it's a full-on 13x4 lace frontal. Now, I'm not going to sit up here and lie to y'all because, well, that's not what we do here on this channel. This is not my first 13x4 pre-everything type of unit. One company sent me one and it was like the cap was entirely too small. I couldn't even do the review for them, and they were understanding. I had to just tell them here, y'all have to take this back. The second company, I don't know if that video is already out or if it's coming out after this one, but I had to make that one work. And if you've seen that video, then you know exactly which one I'm talking about. So the track record with these for me has not been the best thus far, but like I said in the one that I did make work for me, I'm gonna always try to figure out a way for a unit to work for me. But I'm just really hoping that this unit in particular does exactly what it says it's supposed to do. So this is what this unit is looking like straight out of the pack. This is 24 inches and they do offer this unit in 10 inches all the way down to 28 inches. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side, and then 1 in the very center of the unit. It also has adjustable straps here in the back, and then it also comes with a pre-attached security band that you can adjust. Again, this is a 13x4, so this is what she's looking like from ear to ear. Just based off of the tint of the lace, you can tell that this unit has been bleached, meaning the knots have been pre-bleached. I will say, once you flip the unit over this way, you can kind of still see some of the knots, but when I tell you they are extremely small, they are very, very, very small. You can also obviously tell that the lace has been cut on the unit, so they're holding up true to that as well. And as far as the unit being pre-plucked, it looks like it's been pre-plucked, but I don't know. I personally feel like I can tell that a unit has been pre-plucked. Oh, no. It looks like it's been pre-plucked for sure. I was going to say the best way I can tell that a unit has been pre-plucked is whenever you take a hot comb and push the hairline back. It just kind of shows it and exposes it more to where it's just yeah, I can tell that it's either been pre-plucked or it's still a little bit on the dense side. Lord, why can't I talk? But I think this one has been pre-plucked. According to the website, it says that this unit is 150% density, and I will say that yes, she does indeed feel like LuvMe Hair's 150 density. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I am so nervous to install this unit because, like I stated earlier, my track record with these pre-everything units has not been the best. I don't know, I'm scared, y'all, but we're here now, so let's go ahead and install them. I'm stopping the video right here to say that if I only planned on working with one single human hair company for the rest of the time that I plan on showcasing and reviewing wigs, LuvMe Hair would be that company. Just for the simple fact of I love the quality of their wigs. Not all. There have been some no-goers, but for the most part, I really like the quality of their wigs. Their lace is chef's kiss. Y'all, this wig is big head friendly, and that was my main concern when it came to this style of wig, these pre-everything wigs. I mean, I've already said it in the intro. This is big head friendly. Look at this. It goes all the way down to my ear. I could cover this, and it's blending seamlessly. This is my hairline back here. This is the wig. And it's coming, I can't even talk, y'all. And it's coming all the way down to my ear, The other ones were not even touching my sideburns, barely. Come on. And on top of that, they didn't send those weird wonky sticky tabs. I'm not a fan of those. As somebody who has oily skin, those tabs do not work for me. And I have also cleared off my
cleaned off my hairline with alcohol to try to make them work and stuff like that. Like, they just don't work for me personally. No, I'm gonna use my little even spray on this unit, trust and believe. But like, I am very impressed. I am very impressed. I like the fact that they have this like dip part for those who have like either a bigger or wider head than what I do, and you need the frontal to like stretch out a little bit but still cover your ear or go over your ear. You know what I mean, like curve over it comfortably. Like, I LuvMe hair, you did your thing, at least on the fitting. So let's continue to install her. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. Let's go ahead and start with my cons first. And really, I only have one. Yeah, I think I only have one, and that would be that she does shed the tiniest bit. Now, personally, a little bit of shedding doesn't really bother me, seeing as how our natural head coming off of our own scalp sheds. So obviously, I'm going to expect a wig to shed. And if she was shedding like an excessive amount, then I'd be like, girl, be careful, you know, watch out. She sheds a lot. But it does shed the tiniest bit, and I know that that will sometimes bother people. So I wanted to just make note of it. Now let's go ahead and move into my pros for this unit, and obviously the first one is going to be the fact that she is big head friendly. As I've stated multiple times within this video, I was really nervous about this unit just because of my past experience with two other units like this unit. But no, this one has surpassed my expectations, and honestly it makes me want to try other 13x4 pre-everything units. I'm just hoping that they all know to make the units big head friendly. Now I know when I say big head friendly, a lot of people with like a smaller, teenier, tinier heads automatically are like, no, I don't want the unit, I'm not going to buy the unit, it's not for me. I mean, keep in mind that there are what's it called, adjustable straps and a security band in the unit, so depending on how tiny your head is, this unit may still work for you. Another pro for this unit is the fact that it's a true 13x4. You are obviously almost always going to get that 13 inches going across the front, and really with the way that this unit was like looking, I probably should have like measured it off camera, but I didn't. Honestly, I feel like you were getting more than the 13 inches across the front, but you are getting that full on 4 inches, almost at 14 inches, child. No, you are getting that full on 4 inches throughout the entire frontal. So therefore, if you are somebody who likes, you know, deeper side parts, you're able to create those as well. Another pro for me regarding this unit is the lace. Now I stated earlier that LuvMe Hair's lace is always like chef's kiss. I love them down, but the lace on this unit, baby, she is eating it up, especially seeing as how is girl, especially seeing as how this unit did come with pre-cut lace. Me personally, whenever the lace is pre-cut on most units, I don't know, they usually come with that like wavy type of pattern. Rather, this wasn't necessarily wavy. I don't know, it had just like different grooves in it, but they were at the same time, girl, I can't talk today, but at the same time they were just like uniformed different type of grooves. Like I don't really know how to explain it. Actually, yes, I do. There are certain fabric scissors that people will use, you know, when it comes to cutting fabric, and I truly feel like LuvMe Hair used fabric scissors on this lace, which game changer. It's blending so seamlessly and giving like a really nice, natural, clean hairline. Now, this isn't necessarily a pro nor is it a con, but I would say be mindful of the ear tabs. They market this unit as like a glueless unit, how all of these 13x4s pre-everything units are being marketed as full-on glueless units. I'm sorry, but like, okay, even whenever I use Eben spray, I do consider this to be glueless, but I know a lot of people are trying to market them with those tabs, and I'm pretty sure I said this earlier in the video. I don't like those tabs. I think those tabs are like worthless. But like when it comes to the ear tabs on these units, you are probably going to need, depending on how your hairline is. For me personally, my sideburns go down pretty low. I actually shave them off for most of my units, so you know my units can sit and stay down pretty nicely. I did have to go in with a little bit of glue on the ear tabs portions just to keep them down, so just be mindful of that. Another pro for this unit though is the fact that this unit is laying extremely flat, and that's saying a lot, seeing as how my braid pattern under this wig is about 4 weeks, 6 weeks. It's old and dusty, child. Like, I need to wash my hair, and I think I am either gonna wash it tonight or tomorrow. I don't know, but the unit is laying flat, and that's all that really matters. What this unit is giving is what I really wish LuvMe Hair's 360 unit would have gave. If you saw my review for that one, then you know I loved the hair on the unit, but didn't really too much care for like how the unit was like set up. I'll make sure to link that video like in the description box below if you want to check it out. Like, this one again surpassed my expectations. If you like this unit and plan on picking her up, you can grab her from the description box down below. I'll have a direct link there. You can also use my discount code TANDOTSON. That should save you 28% off of not only this unit but on their entire website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at TANDOTSON. I will should have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.